Got him. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh, it's a huge peacock. Nice. Oh, splashed me. All right, nice. Holy cow, I didn't even hold it. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Sweet. All right, let's get a measurement. About 15. Sweet little fish there. Beautiful. Bye-bye. All right, well, that's 2 in this one little area here. Let's just keep going and see how many we can get. Next time, I'm definitely going to be using the boat. Yeah, they're still popping around us. I think if we just stay right here, we might be able to get a couple. Man, that fish was fat though. Oh, there he is right there. Oh yeah. Another one. Another one. Boom. Yep, another peacock. All right. Damn, we slaying them now. Slaying them. All right. Look at that, a little smaller, but still super nice. All right, let's see here. All right, let's get him out. Ow, damn, you fucking poked me. You know what? Probably better to use this. Wouldn't have poked myself. Alright, let's get a measurement. Damn, he's spunky. Yeah, about 13. Nice. Bam, check it out. Got me right in the finger. Yeah, that's why I should have used the poker grips. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and switch up here. Get out here so we can properly tie on a new bait. Yeah, we're hitting it pretty good, man. Got 2 nice peacocks, 1 nice bass. Got off right at the boat, but that's pretty much a catch. I'll count that. I think we'll count that. Man, this looks like a 4-aught when I got my hand here. Let's see. Yeah, no, it's 3-aught. Just looks bigger than what it is for some reason. Alright, just gonna re-tie on a new hook. That other one bent. That might be why it got off. It was tie a little uni knot, favorite knot. There's just so many little nooks and crannies to fish. Kind of screwed that spot up a little bit. I feel like they're going to be back up in there. Well, he wasn't there. There he is. Oh, got him. I knew there was one in there. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, nice. There we go. Sweet. Alright, let's pick up my little swim bait. Why does that feel like it's so... Oh shit, he was on there. Alright. Come on, dude. Damn. They are just feisty in here. Yeah, a bunch of grass right here. Alright, let's cast on the outside of this grass. Is that a fish or grass? Oh yeah, that's a fish. Nice. Alright. Oh, he got off. There he is. Oh, that was awesome. All right. Dang, that was cool. Hit it right off that point. Bam. All right. Damn, kind of tore up his gills a little bit. Oh shit, he's gonna bleed all over my boat. He's a bleeder. Damn, dude, don't shake so much. You're gonna... Shit. What the hell just happened here? Oh, man. There we go. Poor guy. Damn. Poor dude. All right, spot number 2. Go back to where I caught him the other day. Caught him real good in here the other day, but did not have the GoPro with me, which sucked because I was crushing them. I was crushing them. Oh, that was a... Oh, yeah. Oh, that was awesome. I just came up there and smacked it. That was killer. I actually saw him come up and whack it. I didn't even feel it. I just knew he was on there. Check that out. That was killer. These fish in here are so aggressive. I don't think it really matters what color you use. They're just all about it. I should switch back over to my... I might just keep my rods up here so I don't have to keep going down. That's when I can cover a little bit more water. Oh God, that was a hit right there. Oh man. God, they are just hitting so good. There we go. Yeah, this one, see, I can make real long casts and just kind of cover more water. But when I get up to these spots where that little isolated pad up there, I might pick up the Cinco again. Oh, there he is, right there. Damn, came out of nowhere. There you go. Little guy came out of nowhere. We're all right. Going through some baits today. You know you're having a good day when you're going through some baits. Alright, so this spot where I'm about to fish here is where I was having a really good day the other day. So let's see if they're still here. See if we can get on them again. Really like these Strike King baits. They're all Strike King baits because they seem to, I don't know, they seem to be more durable than most other baits. But this is should be a really good spot. That's where I was crushing them the other day. I mean, crushing them. Yeah. Oh yeah. Damn, there we go. That's a good one. Oh shit. Oh yeah. All right. Damn. Nice. He hit it right on top of that. There we go. Solid fish there. Look at that sucker. Bam. All right. Got a new bait on. Let's work this area. There's a lot of A lot of little areas to work here. And you got the dock right here. You got this like boat and lily pad thing going on. You got some like little cattails in the back. So much in this one little spot. Oh shit. Oh damn, is that a fish? Oh my god, I think that was a fish actually. Shit. Oh man, I thought I was snagged, but I was on a fish. There he is. Got him. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Woohoo! Oh, he came off right there.